Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, I have recently made this game website and I have monetized this website with Adsterra network. Here you can see pop-up ads of Adsterra network. When user will click on this button, then Adsterra network will display advertisements according to user. For that advertisements, Adsterra network may credit your account. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get traffic on this game website. I'm going to share with you a step by step. Guys, if you do not know how to make this kind of game website and how to monetize this website, then after watching this video, you can watch my previous video. You can check link in the description. Let me show you how you can get traffic on this website. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, I wanna share with you this gaming website. This is the best and most popular gaming website. Here you can see lots of people has created posts on this website. Here you can see this gaming website is getting 3 million monthly visits. Here you can see top 5 countries. This website is getting more than 8% visits from United States. Let me show you how you can use this gaming website. First of all, you will have to create an account on this website. You can click on this button. Now you can continue with Google, you can continue with Facebook, or you can click on create account button. Now you can type here your email address and then you can click on continue button. Guys, I have already created account on this website. I'm going to log in. After creating account on this website, you can click on this plus button. Now you can click on article button. You can type your title, you can type your description. I'm going to type your title. Now I'm going to upload your screenshots of my game. Click on this image icon. You can upload your screenshots of your game. Now you can type your articles. You can type your this kind of best articles. Now you can mention here game. You can click on this plus button. You can search your game, like you can search your PUBG. You can click on this plus button to add this game in your post. Click on this plus button, search your game name, click on this plus button. Now you can add tags. This tags will work as a keyword. Now I'm going to add here my website URL. You can type your text, like you can type your play now. You can select this text. You can click on this link icon. You can add here your website URL. You can go on your game website. Here is showing URL. You can copy this URL. Now you can paste here. You can click on confirm button. Now you can scroll down. You can type your play now. You can select this text. You can click on this link icon. You can paste your website URL. Click on confirm button. Guys, you can also paste here your website URL. You can scroll down. You can paste here your website URL. Okay, after completing it, you can click on post button. Yeah, here we go. You can see my post has published successfully on this website. Here is showing screenshots of my game and here is showing articles. Here is showing website URL. When user will visit on this URL, then they are redirected on this game website. Guys, after 16 seconds, pop-up ads will be displayed. Here you can see pop-up ads of Adsterra network. When user will click on this button, then Adsterra network will show advertisements according to user. For that advertisements, Adsterra network may credit your account. Guys, you can also share your game website on Facebook groups, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get lots of users. If you want to learn how to make this kind of website and how to monetize this website, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.